If you want your makeup to look like this and not like this, then please keep on watching. Guys, my name is Muskan Hingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all makeup mistakes that beginners make and how not to do them. So I'll be showing you what not to do on this side and what to actually do on this side. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So the first mistake everyone makes while applying foundation is, usually such foundations have a spatula. Okay, if it has a pump, so it's okay, but they will just take this and apply it directly on the face. You should not do that at all. Take it on your hands and then apply it on your face. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is, on this side of my face I'll do it wrong and this I'll do it right. So the main mistake with foundation is applying too much product. People always wonder why is their makeup looking so cakey, not at all up to the mark, and not good basically. So the problem is if they are applying too much. Now this is also not much, and it is going to be hard for me to do it wrong because I know the right, so please bear with me. Okay, so I'm just applying way too much than I should on this side. So this is also not a lot, but still you get the point. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going in with another layer to show you guys that it will not be easy to blend. Always take it on the hand. I hope you can see that. And especially people will do it on the areas they don't need. Okay, now just for the example's sake, I'm going to be applying it over here. I have a bit of pigmentation over here. Still, this is also not a lot, but still. See, it is looking too much. It is looking a lot. Still, I've not gone way overboard because I just physically can't. Okay, but I've gone to my maximum power, and now I'll show you how much you should ideally apply. Even here I had a red spot. I don't need to apply it too much. In fact, less, because the blending is going to be even cakier if I apply much. As you can see, on this side of the face, it is not looking as cakey, but on this side it is looking too much. And with time, with the build-up which will come from the environment, it will look even more bad. Now the same mistake I'm going to be doing with the concealer as well. Okay, firstly I'll be applying a little bit more on this side. Also, when applying any cream product, first apply a little bit, blend it, and then put on another layer. If you apply too much at once and then blend it, it is also going to be very hard to blend. I don't usually go on with this much concealer, okay, but for the sake of it I'm doing it. And also, I don't sweep. You should not sweep your concealer, you should pat it down. So firstly, pat it down. Okay, I'm leaving the eyes above because I'm going to be doing something else. Now on this side, I'll be applying the exact amount. See, this much, and then you have to blend it out. See, on this side it has already started to crease because I applied a lot of amount. Now I'm going to be applying a loose powder, and of course on this side I'll apply too much because you should not apply too much. When such creases are formed, ideally you should blend it out first like this, or pat it down first, okay, and then apply a loose powder. Now I just did it to show you, but many people just don't do that. And then when they apply the powder, that will get settled into the lines as well, okay, and you should not be doing that. I'm just going to be baking now, okay. I have not applied a lot, I just applied it for the sake of it, okay. Now I've applied the actual amount. So I'm just going to let that rest, okay, while I applied all over the face as well. Now I'm going to be taking a powder brush, and I'm going to be just taking this powder, and I'm going to be applying a little bit, not a lot, just to set it, okay. See, that's it. You don't need a lot, especially a loose powder, you don't need a lot. But again, just to show you guys, I'll be applying a lot more on this side. Also, I'm applying it with this brush. Now this brush is dense, so it will apply a lot more quantity than it should, okay. So here is why brushes make a difference. You can make it work, of course, but it's not ideal. See, so damn cakey, so cakey. I hope you guys can see that. And also I'm just removing the bake right now. enough. I cannot handle it. See, this side looks so cakey. I hope you guys can see that this side looks very cakey and this does not look that cakey. But also camera and light also makes a huge role. I can assure you that in real life it is not looking nice at all. So the next mistake people make is doing their eyebrows first and then they do the rest of them. Ideally I should have done this even before foundation, but I forgot. Just play along, okay? And I will show you why. And also I'll apply the wrong shade. You should never really use black. Many people wonder why black is looking so damn stark. It is literally looking like I've tattooed or colored them. See, it is looking pathetic. Okay, so this is why you don't use a black on your eyebrows and this is why you use a brown on your eyebrows. And also you should do your eyebrows at the very end because you will apply powder, you will apply foundation and everything and that will get on the eyebrows. So you should not do that first. Okay, hence you should wait till the end to apply your eyebrows. Now you should apply brown on your eyebrows. So while applying foundation, many people just skip the neck and their chest area, okay? So on this side I'm going to skip it, while on this side I'll apply it. And also you need to set here more with the powder because you're going to be sweating here in this region a lot more, okay? Another mistake that many people make is that they don't do their eyes first with the makeup, okay? In this case I genuinely forgot because I'm doing this kind of a video for the first time, so it will probably take me some time to get a hang of it. So anyways, you need to apply an eye primer on your eyes. So I'm going to be applying it on this eye, and on this eye I'll just skip it because many people don't apply eye primer. And then just set it with some powder or cream eyeshadow, whichever you prefer. You just need to set it. There is no other goal behind that. When you're doing your eye makeup, you need to make sure that your eye makeup and your lips go well together. So this brings me to my next tip, that don't overplay both of them. If you're keeping darker lips, keep lighter eyes. If you're keeping lighter eyes, keep darker lips, okay? So for this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be playing heavy on both the sides with this, like dark eyeshadow and dark lipstick, while on this side, light eyeshadow and dark lipstick. I'm not going to apply a lot of eyeshadow. I'm just going to be putting some brown in the crease and all over my eyes, so like a soft brown eye look, okay? This side I'll be playing a little bit hard and I'm going to be applying a blue eyeshadow, a very blue one. Also, I'm not going to be blending very nicely. I'll show you how people do it and think that it is going to work. Ideally what you should do is put a brown in the crease and then apply a blue eyeshadow, but I'll not be doing that, of course, and I've also not applied any eye primer on that eye. So I'm just going to be taking my blue eyeshadow and I'm just go on this side. Of course, when you just apply it like that, it is going to be very hard for you to blend. See, already there are a lot of patches because it's not applied nicely, you know. I'll just blend to my best ability. And also see, this is why I'm telling you should apply your eyeshadow first. You will be able to wipe it off. Whereas now it will be very hard for me to wipe this off. I'll just blend it in the crease, okay? Make it look blended. It already has a brown, a bit of it. So I hope you can see the difference it has made. You cannot just apply a dark eyeshadow like this and then blend it. No, you need to put a brown in the crease and then slowly develop the smoky eyes. If you would like a tutorial on smoky eyes, then let me know in the comments below. Also, kind of a self-promotion, I do teach smoky eyes in my self-grooming session. So if you want to know the right way, you can contact me for that. Because it has been applied on the under eyes, I'll try my best to remove it. But still, it is going to be there a bit. You should always apply your cream products first, and on top of that, you should apply your powder products. On top of powder products, you will have to apply your powder products, okay? So for this example, I'll be showing you this, that I'll apply a cream blush over this side. So I use my lipsticks as blush. I'll just be taking this shade from the Nykaa palette. And on my cakey side, I'll just apply it, okay? You should not do this. because see, it is going to be a nightmare to get blended. See, it is not getting blended. A brush and try to blend it out. I am using a foundation brush on purpose because I want to dim it down also if I apply too much. It is not getting blended, okay? So you should not be doing this. What you should ideally do is apply a powder blush on top of powder brush. That to build as you go, don't apply too much because blush is such a thing that will be a nightmare to blend. So apply a little and then keep on blending it. And also go up until here. Many people just leave it down here. No, you should apply it till here, in upwards direction, of course. Next mistake that people make is while applying your highlighter. When you are applying your highlighter, you need to take the tip of a brush and then take it, or take a smaller brush to apply it right here, like this, and blend it downwards with the blush. It should not look separate from the blush, okay? And with highlighter, you need to make sure that it is of like similar to your skin tone, not a very different shade, okay? So now on this side, what I'll be doing is I'll just be applying a stripe, which is again the wrong way to do it. I'll just go in the first go, I'll go with a lot of product. You should not do that. You should build as you go. So see, like this. They will not blend it with, many people don't blend it with the blush. They'll just apply like this, like a stark line, and you should not be doing that. This is not a good look at all. As you can see, I'm going to be applying some lipstick. I'm going to be applying a little bit of a dark shade. I hope you guys understand now why I said you should not go too much on both. You should balance it out by keeping one higher and one lower, and not higher on both of it, okay? So this is the side that you should not do makeup, and this is the side that you should do the makeup. Okay, I would also like to share one more makeup tip with you all, is when you are buying makeup, okay? If you're buying from Indian local shops, from any kind of a local shop, make sure that the brand you're buying is correct and it is like the true brand. Because especially in case of higher end makeup, I have seen a lot of them sell MAC Huda which are fake, and at prices which is unbelievable, okay? Like I can tell you this, majority of their makeup products are not available under 1,000 rupees. Majority. Minis would be there here and there, I don't know, but majority of their products are not under rupees 1,000. So when you're buying makeup from such stores at like 300, 500, it is fake. It is not the real one, and they can be very harmful. Instead of applying that, just skip makeup, I would say. Because those products have ingredients which are very, very harmful to your skin, and you do not want them anywhere near your skin. I would say buy from drugstore brands if you cannot afford higher end, but don't buy it from local shops. Buy only from online retailers which are trustable, such as I would suggest Nykaa, or from shopping centers like in the mall. In a mall, in most cases they are the true ones, okay? So Sephora, Nykaa, and these are the places you can trust, where you can buy authentic makeup for true, like just the true one. Don't trust local shops. From local shops you can buy the other brands like Lakmé, Maybelline, all of them. They mostly are the true ones there, but not the higher end ones, okay? So if you have been a regular watcher of my channel, you would know that I give bonus tip at the end of each and every video. And in today's video, my bonus tip is that many a times people ignore this, the fact that you need to actually wash your makeup brushes, okay? Even if you're doing makeup on yourself, you need to do that. Like for us makeup artists, so it is a routine thing to be done because we use it on a lot of people. So we have to deep wash them very often, like after each client. But for normal people also, you cannot be using a brush for a month straight. Don't do that, because it will catch on germs and it will go on your face. Instead, wash them very often. I would say at least once a week, okay? If you're using it every day, or just if you're thinking it's looking dirty, just wash it. Don't wait for a long amount of time for it to gather all the dirt and germs, okay? So yeah, this was my makeup tip. If you want to know how to wash them, I have a video. I'll just link it down. It's a small reel video, okay? So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you guys learned something new. If you did, then please let me know in the comments below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'm also very active on Instagram. You can follow me over there as well if you like to see more realistic makeup tips that can be applied in the real world. And these are the tips that I have learned along in my makeup career, so I wish to share it with you all as well. So yeah, that was all for today. Till next time, bye bye.